Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm about to give you about, let's say, 5 folders containing various textures that you can use for your artwork, your poster, your flyer, everything stuff. Let's start with this one. Okay, so I'm going to open this one. Now this one is a plastic texture. Okay, it's a plastic texture. And how do we use it? Let's You see how it looks like. Let me show you how you can use it for your artwork. Okay, so let's just say that I am going to drag this into Photoshop, and then I could easily go for a plastic texture, right? And I'll put a drag it in there, and I'm going to release it. You can see how it feels like. Then I'll go to set it to screen or something like that. You can see how it works on it. Okay, let me increase the size for you to see the effect on it. Okay, so you can also go set it to lighten. We could set it to, I mean, you could just play with it until you get what you are looking for. Okay, so you can see this one, we have up to 6 of it also. Alright, so 7. And then we also have blurry backgrounds. These are all gradients you can use for your artwork as well. You can use this as a background, drag it into Photoshop. Okay, and then let's see, you can put your stuff in there as well. Now these are high quality. Okay, these are really high quality. Let's check it. You can see it's a really high quality stuff. We also have another one again. All these stuff, you can drag it into Photoshop, and then you can have a look at it. You can see. Let me zoom in so that you see it. You see how detailed it is. Yep. So that is it for you guys. Also, we also have dirt. Okay, this one we have both the JPEG and then the PNG. It depends on the one you want. All you have to do is just drag it all the way in there and then just release it. Okay, so you can see how it looks like. Alright, so that is it for you. Let's go and see the other ones that you can also get. Yeah, a lot of it, different ones. Okay, and these are high quality, 8 megabytes and stuff like that. So you need this, you kind of need these ones. Okay, so these are also the other ones as well. Now these ones you would have to change the blending modes a little bit to correspond with it. Okay, so you can see I'm dragging it this way, and then I'll just have to go to the blending modes, and then I'm going to set it to screen. Okay, and it's going to be in there. Okay, let's see. You can feel it in there. Okay, so that is it. Alright, also we would like to go to the next one, and these are also dust and scratches. Okay, now we have it in vector form and also in JPEG. The same thing, you have to drag it in there, and then also you use what you are going to be using the what's it called, the blending modes. Okay, so you're going to use between these ones, and then you're going to get it nicely over there. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's go to the next one. So now these are all pretty high quality stuff. Okay, now I'm not going to give you any ordinary stuff. So we have the film dust and also textures. These guys are also a killer. There are 30 of them. And then we also have, what is this? We also have texture labs. Now these ones I use them a lot. These ones I use them a lot. These are special ones I use. Okay, I got them from Texture Labs. These are very, very nice. Okay, then we also have this transparent ones. These are paper cards, guys. These are paper cards. Okay, so let me show you what I mean by it. Okay, so you can see how it looks like. You can see the kind of, I mean, this is crazy, guys. You see the effect that I just got over there. Okay, so these ones, guys, this can just level your work from 1 to about 1,000. So then we also have additional yeah, so these are the about. Okay, so guys, now these are just all of them I'm about to give to you. A link is going to be in the description. If you love it, hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel, and comment as well so that I can give you guys more of the resources that I have in my computer. I love you all, guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.